Here's how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. Follow each solution in order until the game launches successfully. First, open the Epic Games launcher and go to Library. Find Fortnite, click the three dots next to it, and select Manage. Under the installation section, click the folder icon to open the game's install location. Once the folder opens, go to Fortnite Game, then Binaries, followed by Win64. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder and locate Easy Anti-Cheat EOS Setup.exe. Double-click the file to launch it. If nothing happens when you open it, right-click the file, select Show More Options, and choose Send to, then Desktop. Create Shortcut. Go to your desktop and locate the shortcut you just created. Double-click on it, then right-click it and select Properties. In the target field, move to the end of the existing text, add a space, and type Repair. Click Apply, then OK, and double-click the shortcut again to run it. If Fortnite still doesn't launch, return to the Win64 folder and scroll down until you find Fortnite client Win64 shipping.exe. Right-click it and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and enable both disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and try launching Fortnite again. If the issue continues, open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. Select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then click Change Settings. After that, choose Allow another app, click Browse, and locate Fortnite client Win64 shipping.exe. You can find it by locating your Fortnite folder, then go to Fortnite Game, then Binaries, and Win64. Select Fortnite client Win64 shipping.exe and click Open, then Add. Once added, make sure both private and public are checked, then click OK to save the changes. After that, try launching Fortnite again. If it still won't open, go back to the Epic Games launcher, open Library, click the three dots next to Fortnite, select Manage, and next to Verify Files, click Verify. This will scan the game files and automatically repair any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the verification process to finish, then launch Fortnite again. If the game is still not starting, the next step is to update your graphics drivers. Open your web browser and search for Driver Easy. Visit the Driver Easy website. Then, click on this Download Now button and download and install the application. Once it's installed, open Driver Easy app on your device and click Scan Now. The program will scan your computer for outdated drivers. When the scan is complete, update any outdated graphics drivers by clicking Activate and Update next to each one and following the on-screen instructions. There's also an Update All option, but that's only available in the paid version, so you can simply update each driver individually using the free version. After updating your drivers, check whether Fortnite launches properly. If you're still having the same problem, open the Start menu, search for Run, and launch it. Type %local app data %, and press Enter. Scroll down until you find the Epic Games launcher folder, then open Saved. Locate the web cache folder, right-click it, and select Delete. Make sure the Epic Games launcher is completely closed before deleting this folder, otherwise Windows won't let you remove it. If none of the previous methods solve the problem, the final solution is to run the Windows System File Checker. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command, sfc/scan now, and press Enter, and wait for the scan to finish. This process may take several minutes, so be patient. Once it's complete, restart your computer so Windows can apply any repairs it made. After your PC restarts, launch Fortnite again. The game should now open without any problems. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.